Review how to download fonts. I just happen to be using FontSpace. Okay, there's going to be some similarities if you use a different website. Basically, you're going to be looking for where it says download. Okay, but FontSpace is just my favorite. It's just a little bit easier and a little user-friendly, and I do like the variety of different font styles that you have. So you can just search onto something like Popular. If you have something in mind, like if you're just looking for bold, if you're looking for something, let's say if I type in computer, because my theme is about graphic design, so you can find some sort of font that will work. Just could be something that you just happen to like. Let's say I like digital tech. If I click on the actual title, it'll give me just a sample of it, modeling it. I can increase the text there. If I'm looking for a certain word to see what it looks like typed in, I can do that. So you can see that it'll give you a little preview of it. So if you would like to use this, you're going to find where it says download. And again, if you're using a different website, you're going to look for the same button that says download. It'll do the same thing. Okay, and I'm using Google Chrome, so the download will show up down on the bottom left. I'm going to open up this folder. It's called a zip drive, and it's basically a folder that you need to unzip first. There we go. So like I said, it's a folder within a folder. So as soon as this opens up, it should appear in the front. There it is. And it's in a folder called download, so if you need to access this again, let's say that it doesn't work, you can see where, go back and see where they keep this. So this folder is going to be here. Now inside of this folder, there are a couple of different items. So you're going to either go for one that says ttf.ttf or an OTF. You just basically double click on this. And then it's going to open up a program called FontBook. You're going to see the little icon appear down here. Alright, and you're going to click on Install Font. Basically, I'm going to let this run. And after it's done downloading, it should appear right here. There it is. Now, just to double check, if I click on it, you can see that it says installed. So it's very important that you remember the name. So now if I go back to Photoshop, and if I click on sorry that this computer is running kind of slow. So if I click on the type tool, it should appear in my library, which it does. Okay, so you can definitely use that. So that's downloading. So as I said, you want to download about 3 out of the 5 or 6 fonts that you're going to be using. Okay, if you want to download all of them, that's fine. You can always download more, but at least 3.